Hello, how are you today? You're back again with Kathy, the arty mummy, and today we are to draw a collection of vegetables. So this is the 365-day challenge, day 8, and I've decided to take this on as a still life rather than just draw a bunch of random vegetables on the paper. And again, I'm going to be working in watercolor. So this time I started with a light sketch and then began to colour in the shapes that I'd made with my light pencil sketch. I did try to leave some white space for the shine on the various pieces of fruit and vegetables. So at the back is supposed to be a capsicum and then a lemon, followed by a cucumber, some slices of lime and a half an onion, and a sliced orange, some chilies, and then behind that we've got a couple of pomegranate and a bit of lettuce and an apple. Pomegranate now. And I did try to lift off here because I didn't leave the shiny bit on it, but it just didn't work. So that's the type of paper for you. So not as successful as good watercolor paper once again, but you know, I figure if I can do a half decent painting in here, then maybe when I do get onto the good watercolor paper I'll be okay. I decided to pop an apple and a slice of apple down in front and do a bit of a table for it all to sit on the bowl as well. I did have a little bit of trouble sort of getting a shadow and a blended edge there for the shadow, but I think again it has a lot to do with the paper and a lot less to do with the way I'm working. So I'll probably have to try and do something like this on some watercolor paper and just see what different results I get. But yeah, after I'd finished all the main shapes, I sort of went back and did some extra shading, and I think it turned out reasonably well. I'm fairly happy with how it went. Not 100% with the lemon because I think it could definitely stand out a lot more, and I'm not quite sure what to do with that. But like I said, this is all just little exercises and a learning process, and I think with each one I'll learn a little bit more about shapes and colours and just general daily practice, and that's what it's all about. So once again, if you're enjoying my videos, please like and subscribe. I'd really love to have you joining me regularly, and thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Hey guys, what are you doing?
I just got here. We're making
Use your proper words.
Anna Booty.
Oh wow, that's pretty cool, Kiara.
I want to go on the other side.
Practicing mark making with some various objects, dripping and splatting and blowing using cotton buds all together on one piece of paper just to practice some mark making.